Students, today we will study about the characteristics of cotton fiber. The quality of cotton fiber is determined by following characters: the strength, uniformity, and the length of the fiber, the fitness of the cell wall of the fiber, and the number of twists present in an inch of lint, the color and luster of the fiber, the amount of lint obtained from a given amount of cotton. Cotton production in India. The cotton scenario has undergone tremendous change during the last 2 decades, and there is every hope of maintaining the uptrend and with the emphasis on large scale cultivation of high yield variety. The area under cotton cultivation is around 7 million hectares with the annual production of 104 lakhs bales in 1988 and 89. This stupendous rise in the output has been mainly due to large scale cultivation of high yielding varieties, which has changed the pattern of production from short, medium, and long staple to more long and extra long staple. Although cotton occupies the distinction of being the most important cash crop, yet the area under irrigation is only 30%, while 70% of the area is still dependent on monsoon. As such, the yield per hectare is about 197 kg, a low figure which occupied to yield of 716 kg in USA. 972 kg in Egypt and 522 kg in Pakistan. However, in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, cotton is an irrigated crop as such the yield per hectare is as high as 426 kg in Punjab, 368 kg in Haryana and 342 kg in Rajasthan. Gujarat is the leading state of cotton production in India. The country may have attained self-sufficiency in cotton and emerged as a leading exporter of extra long staple. But in spite of having the largest acre under control, it holds only fourth position among the cotton growing countries after China, the USA, and the Soviet Union. To meet the growing need of the textile industry and cotton export, a high production target of 120 to 25 lakhs bales by 1995 is necessary. Cotton formed the most important raw material for the mills, the number of which has increased to over 1,000. The Cotton Government of India sponsored the Cotton Textile Export Promotion Council, which functions to promote the export of cotton goods, ready-made garment, new quality yarns, and also encourage the manufacturer and exporter to participate in international exhibition to highlight the excellence of Indian cotton fabric and range of textile. The CTPEPC has helped immensely to boost Indian exports and the inflow of the foreign exchange. Uses: cotton has a multifarious uses, some of which are as various types of textiles are manufactured from cotton fiber. The fibers are treated with caustic soda, which impart a silky appearance and luster. The finished product is known as the mercerized cotton. The fiber which have been thoroughly cleaned and from which the oily covering layer has been removed is known as the absorbent cotton. It is mostly the pure cellulose and form the basic raw material for the cellulose industry. It is used in the manufacture of rubber tired product, carpeting and cottage. The stalk of the cotton plant, which was once discarded, is now used as a fuel. It is also yields fiber which can be used for paper making. The roots on extraction yield a crude drug. The lister or the furs can be used for stuffing, cushion, pillows, etc. They also yield low quality yarns which is used in the manufacture of rope, carpet and twins. The hulls of the seed form an excellent feed for cattle as a fertilizer and industrial xylose, alcohol, solvent, explosive, etc. Cotton seed oil, an important fatty oil, is expressed from the seeds. The oil cakes or the meal left after extraction of the oil makes and use in the fertilizer, flow, stock feed, and dye stuff. Thank you.